న్యూ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎండి తీసుకోగలదా సార్?
న్యూ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎండి అవసరం లేదన్న. ఎండి అన్నది ఏంటంటే మనకి ఫోల్డర్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఎండి స్పేస్ సిఎస్సి 19 అన్నాను కదా, అంటే ఇది సిఎస్సి 19 అన్నది ఫోల్డర్. ఆ ఫోల్డర్ని క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ఈ కమాండ్ వాడతాం. ఓకే, ఆ తర్వాత ఫోల్డర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలంటే మనం జనరల్గా డబల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తాం. కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్లో మీరు ఫోల్డర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలంటే సిడి అన్న కమాండ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. సిడి అన్న కమాండ్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీరు పాత్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి, E:// సిడి సిఎస్సి 19 అన్నాక నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్కి వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ ఇండికేషన్ ఇస్తుంది E:// CSC 19 అంటే ఆ ఫోల్డర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యాము అని అర్థం. ఆ తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, నేను ఆ ఫోల్డర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇంకొక ఫోల్డర్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఆ ఫోల్డర్ పేరు ఏంటి, యూనిట్ 1. సో ఆ ఫోల్డర్ని క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ ఫోల్డర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నాను, సిడి స్పేస్ యూనిట్ 1 అని చెప్పేసి అంటున్నాను. ఇక్కడ పాత్ చేంజ్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చేసరికి మనకి సిఎస్సి 19గా వరకే క్లోజ్ అయింది, బట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి సిఎస్సి 19 యూనిట్ 1 అన్న ఫోల్డర్లో మనం కరెంట్గా ఉన్నాము అని అర్థం. ఇందులో నేను నోట్ ప్యాడ్ స్పేస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ డాట్ జావా అని చెప్పేసి తీసుకున్నాను ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్. ఇది తీసుకోగానే మనకు ఒక పాపప్ వస్తుంది, నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. ఆ నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ని టైప్ చేశాను. ఓన్లీ 2 ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ రాశాను, ఇంపోర్ట్ స్పేస్ జావా డాట్ ల్యాంగ్, తర్వాత క్లాస్ స్పేస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. సో ఫైల్ నేమ్ మీరు ఏదైతే తీసుకున్నారో అదే క్లాస్ నేమ్ కింద తీసుకోవాలి. ఓపెనింగ్ బ్రేస్ అండ్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్రేస్. ఇక్కడ వరకు మీ అందరికి అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, sir.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ బాబు చెప్పండి. Respond only 10 students, 15 students means what's the meaning in that? I'm going in this slow and giving only 10-15 students response means it's useless thing, Babu. I need at least 30 members has to give response students, but see, I'm terminating this. I'm closing this also. I'm going to click on save. Right. So you can see here one program file has been created over here. Again, I'm entering cmd E:// I entered into this E drive. Just wait, a monkey came. Okay, monkey left. Right, so E drive, under this E drive, and if you want to enter into any folder, can anyone say the command which folder I need to enter?
CSC 19.
If you want to enter into that folder, which command we need to use? md space sorry, if you want to create means we need to use md, right? md space some csc 20 folder I'm going to create means you need to use. But if you want to enter means we need to use what?
cd
space csc 19, then path is going to be changed. అండ్ సిఎస్సి 19 అన్న ఫోల్డర్లో నేను మీ సెక్షన్కి నేను ఏవైతే ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చెప్తానో ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్నీ ఇందులోనే ఉంటాయి. ఇందులో యూనిట్ వైజ్ సపరేట్గా పెట్టుకుంటాను నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ని. అంటే ఇదే ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది, మన క్లాస్ మొత్తం ఇదే ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది. ఈ సిఎస్సి 19 టిల్ ఎండ్ వరకు ఉంటుంది. ఒకవేళ నేను మర్చిపోయినా మీరు గుర్తు చేయాలి. అండ్ సిఎస్సి 19లో ఇప్పుడు మనం యూనిట్ 1లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి నేను ఆల్రెడీ యూనిట్ 1 అనే ఫోల్డర్ని క్రియేట్ చేశాను ఎండి కమాండ్ యూస్ చేసి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? సిడి స్పేస్ యూనిట్ 1 ఎంటర్. ఇప్పుడు అందులోకి వచ్చేసాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. నోట్ ప్యాడ్ స్పేస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ డాట్ జావా. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఉందా? ఇందా క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా, ఉందా? ఆన్ ఎంటర్, automatically I will open that particular file which is already there, which was created by us. Okay, ఇందులో నేను ఏం చేస్తాను? ఇంపోర్ట్ స్పేస్ జావా డాట్ లాంగ్ అన్నాను. తర్వాత క్లాస్ స్పేస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఫైల్ నేమ్ దట్ ఐ టేకెన్, అండ్ ద క్లాస్ నేమ్ మస్ట్ బి సేమ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఓపెనింగ్ బ్రేస్ అండ్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్రేస్. Now between this opening and closing brace, I would like to take some function over there. And what is the starting point of your program? Every program, what is the starting point?
Main function.
Very good. Every program, the starting point is going to be the main function. And for Java program also, the starting point of your Java program is going to be main. The starting point of your Java program is going to be what? Main. So I need to write something like main like this. But the main, what is there in C, what is there in Java, it's not going to be the same main. It's going to be somewhat different main. But we'll be writing like this. Are you agree or not? How we are writing main in C and C++, void space main or interspace main. Are you agree or not? Respond. Right here,
Yes, sir.
here also I'm writing the same thing, void space main. And before this main, I would like to, three things has been involved here. Before this main, I would like to take something like public is one keyword, static is one keyword, public is one keyword, static is one keyword. I'm not doing much here. This class syntax I taken from your C++, you already know. Class space first program, opening brace, closing brace. After that, inside this class, I'm writing main method. And before, yeah, sorry, some disturbance here, some disturbance on the internet. Right. So before this main function, I would like to take two keywords, public, static. Public, static. Public is one keyword, static is one keyword. Remember that only. That's it. Public is one keyword, static is one keyword. Remember that only. And one more thing that we need to do here. String args. When you are writing the string, yes must be capital letter. Yes must be capital letter. When you are writing the string, yes must be what? Capital letter. Yes must be capital letter. String, yes must be capital letter. And here args. In the place of args, you can write your name also. Doesn't matter. And opening brace, opening subscript, closing subscript must be there. Opening subscript, closing subscript must be there. See, very simple. Two things, import space java.lang function, a lang package that I need to include. C++ ilane rasara class space class name and ilane rasara C++ lo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Main function ela rayalno telusa meeku? C language నేర్చుకున్నారా? Right.
Yes, sir.
Main ki mundu public space static space void main ikkada string args. String lo ఏది క్యాపిటల్ ఉండాలిరా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, capital. And in the place of args, you can take any name. Opening subscript, closing parenthesis. Opening brace and closing brace. Right. So, C and C++, which functions are you going to use to print the data on the output screen?
Print and
Printf
see out.
Printf in C and cout in C++. And which function is going to be used in Python to print?
print.
Print function. Very good, right? So here in Java, we have a function like this. System, SYSTEM, system. S is capital, out, all are small letters, dot, println, opening, closing, hi, I'm going to take welcome to Java programming, semicolon. System, S is capital, dot, out, everything is small letters. Println, everything is small letters. Opening parenthesis, hi, welcome to Java program. Closing double quotes, closing parenthesis, semicolon. Okay, remember that println is one function. Println is one function. Out is an object, system is a class. Out is an object, system is a class. I will be discussing this, don't worry about this. Okay, three things we are learned. One is import space java.lang, public static, void main, you already habituated to that, and string args. In that, s is capital, and then system.out.println, system s is capital, dot, no space, dot, all small letters, dot, println, all small letters, opening parenthesis, opening double quotes, hi, welcome to Java program, closing double quotes, closing parenthesis, semicolon. Save it, go to file, save, control S. How many of you typed this program on your computer? Respond, students. Respond. Vinay, Aditya, Ranjit are done. Only 3 members are done. This is not fair. Out of this many students, only 3 members are doing, means what's the thing in that? Okay. So I'm going to click on file, then save. Okay. After clicking on file, and then I'm going to click on save. Now go to this command prompt. Type here Java C first program dot Java. Java C first program dot Java, and then enter. See here, I'm going to press here enter button, right? It takes some time. It is going to compile the program, and after compilation, it's not giving any error over here. We will not got any error. And go to that particular folder here, unit 1 folder. You can see one is .class file, other one is Java file. 2 files we got. Earlier we have only Java file. Again, I'm deleting this Java class file here. Now, right now we have only Java file, and I'm going with command prompt. Again, I'm typing Java C first program dot Java. After that, press enter. And if you have any errors, it gives us errors. If you don't have any error, then it gives us the next thing. And go to that particular folder. Now you will be seeing class file. Shall we open this .class file? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, this is what the code that we have inside .class file. This is how it is appearing to us. Except the message what we are given, remaining thing. And we will not used print stream also. Java IO print stream we are not used, but it has taken. And line number we are not used. Line number table we are not used. And the main is there. Java.lang we are not used, but it's showing there. And first program also we are not used. Code also we are not used. Source file also we are not used. First program.java, it's a class name. Like things which can, by seeing those things, we can observe few things over there that we cannot understand that code, right? So this is how we are doing compilation. Now Java space first program, Java space first program, right? For compilation Java C. For execution, Java space first program, and then enter. And then enter. But I got an error here, but you people are going to get output. How many of you got output? Or have you got the same error, whatever the error that I got? ఎవరైనా చేస్తున్నారా? రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. Srikar?
Sir, I got the same errors.
Same error, huh?
Could not find or load main class.
Okay. Anyone got the same error? Generally, you need to get an output over there. Who is this? Just now responded. Who is that?
Ranjit, sir.
Okay. Ranjit got same error. And Vinay also got the same error. Okay, fine. And how to resolve this error if you got the same error? And in order to resolve this error, I have one command that we need to use. Java space -cp, Java space -cp space. We need to give the path within double quotes, that E colon / CSC19 / unit -1 closing double quotes. Then give here first program. Press enter. You will be getting output. Hi, welcome to Java program. Okay. Clear with this, everyone? Okay, again I will be showing you. I will be entering into the command prompt first, and I would like to enter into the folder where I saved my program, and I need to use a command called E colon. I will be entering into the E drive. Okay, I will be entering into the E drive, right? I will be entering into the E drive, right? So go to command prompt, the steps that we need to follow to execute the program. Go to command prompt and type here E colon. And then what's the next command that we need to type, ma? MD space, so not MD, CD space, CSC 19. After that, CD space unit 1. Okay, and then notepad, what's the program name? First program.java. So this is what that we need to do. Okay, the first thing is I'm entering into this C drive, entering into E drive. Now here entering into created folder. Now here entering into another created folder, that is unit 1. Now creating Java program. Enter means this program we need to write over here, right? After getting notepad, this program we need to type. Okay, here you can take here import is keyword, java dot, make a note of this, is package, java.lang is package, class name, first program is class name, and class name full stop, class name and file name must be same, and this is the starting point of Java program, that is main function or method, whatever it might be, right? Next, it is used to print, 1 minute, battery is charging down. It is used to print the data on the output screen. It is used to print data on output screen, right? And after typing the program, click on save. That is, go to file, click on save. Okay, this is what that we need to do. And after clicking on save, again you need to go to command prompt. After clicking on save, go to command prompt, and how the command prompt is going to be appeared? The command prompt is going to be appeared like this. Control C. Okay, go to command prompt. Like this, it is going to be appeared. Now what we need to do, now compile the Java program. compile Java program. And for that purpose, what we need to do is we need to go with this E drive, Control C, Control V, and then Java space, Java C space, first program.java. First program.java. Okay. Now, after this, if there are no errors, it generates nothing. If there are some errors, otherwise it lists out the errors. And for compiling, right? Now, if no errors, you can see that .class file is created in unit 1 folder. Okay. After successful compilation, we need to execute the program. We need to execute the program, right? So for execution of this program, again, what we need to do? Java space first program.java. First program, that's it. Java space first program. And for this, you might be getting some error. Java space first program. Nothing you need to take. Just for this, you might be getting this kind of error. Few students might be getting this error. If you got this error, above error, then you have to use following command. You have to use the following command. And what is that command? Means Java space -cp class path, within double quotes we need to give where that class path is there, CSC 19/unit 1 / closing double quotes first program, enter.
ఈ తర్వాత కాలం ఉండాలా సార్?
Yeah, it's required. Very good, Pawan. Okay, fine. Like that, you will be getting over there. Okay. Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And I will be sharing this file with you all, and try to look into this thing. Okay. And those who have computers, try to do this. And those who don't have computer, try to do it in online compilers at least. Okay. Clear? Can I
Yes,
share
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will be sharing this. In the chart itself, I will be sharing this file. Try to download this, everyone. So I hope you can see that file. Are you able to download? Sorry, I sent it only to Vinay. Are you able to download it?
अपना सर व्हाट्सएप दिखा रही है.
Are you able to download it? Are you able to download it? Respond in the chat. You can check it and try to follow the same steps and execute it and send me the screenshot of that. Send me the screenshot of your program and output to my WhatsApp number. And one more thing, who created the DS group? DS WhatsApp group, who created it? Or else create another group with the name Java Programming and try to add all the students in that group, and you can post your program executions or anything queries related to Java programming. You can post over there. We had a discussion over there. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
sir, create చేసాం మేమే అనుకుంది sir.
Who created it?
We will try to change its name, sir.
You can change that name, but the thing is, B section, C section students are also there in that group. Okay?
Yes.
And try to create a new group with only A section, and we'll share that screenshots in that group, all of you, by today evening. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Fine. And those who are not having computers, try to do it in mobile phone if possible, and try to see the process exactly how it has been went. So CPP లో మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ క్లాస్ బయట ఉంటుంది సార్. సో డేటా అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ అయ్యేది పాసిబుల్ ఉంటుంది, కానీ జావాలో క్లాస్లోనే మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం, మరి డేటా అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ఎలా పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది సార్? Okay, I will be discuss about this issue. Gayatri, try to remember this thing till second unit. I will be addressing this issue, data abstraction concept clearly. Okay?
Okay.
సార్ మీరు పెట్టిన డాక్యుమెంట్ రాలేదు సార్ ఏమి.
చాట్లో రాలేదా? ఎవ్రీవన్
ఏ
పెట్టారు.
సార్.
ఓకే, బ్లాగ్లో పెట్టేస్తానులే ఇప్పుడే. యూ క్యాన్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్లాగ్.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
That syllabus also I will be placing, and textbooks that you can follow for Java is going to be complete reference. You can follow complete reference textbook which is available in our library. You might be facing some difficulty with complete reference, and you can go with another textbook, Java by Nageshwar Rao, which will be available in Koti. It's not available in in our library. And library will be available. You will be available only 2 textbooks, I think. One is complete reference, other one is Java Programming by Balaguru Swami. I recommend to go with complete reference and black color book Core Java by Nageshwar Rao, which is available in Koti. And apart from this, one more textbook is there, Malhotra textbook, Java Object Oriented Programming through Java, Malhotra textbook. It's an Oxford University Press textbook. The best thing is Kranti Reddy notes. Okay? Fine. Any doubts if you have, you can ask, otherwise you can leave, because other faculty might be waiting to take the class. Already you started leaving the classes. Okay. Fine. Yesterday, Niharika is there. Neha, any doubt? Rishi, 31. So I will be noting your numbers and tomorrow I will ask.